What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Zilliqa, which has been pumping in value. As you can see, 10%, nearly 10% up in the last 24 hours, making it just over 12 cents per coin. So what is its next target? As we all know, Zilliqa is a crypto which has had a major increase in value last month in March, hitting 25 cents per coin on, not even last month guys, it was earlier this month, obviously late last month, early this month, and then dropped all the way down to about 5 cents. It has been very volatile over the last month itself, and right now has started to pump back up in value. So what is its next target? Where is it heading to next? Is it going to keep going up in value, potentially hitting 20 cents or over that, or is it going to drop back down in value? That is what we're going to be going through today. A lot of people have been asking me, is it a good time to invest right now because it's pumping back up in value, or is it just a one-off thing and then is it going to drop down in value? So I'm going to try and cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also giving you guys my prediction over the next couple of hours, days and weeks for the short-term traders, and also over the next couple of months and overall in 2022 for the long-term investors. But before I get into all of that guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And once I do hit that target, there will be a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing back to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. And once again, as previously mentioned, there will be 9 lucky winners winning cryptocurrencies for this giveaway, so make sure you stay tuned on my Instagram for more details regarding the giveaway, because that's where everything will get updated. So in the last hour, it has just about dropped 1%, which is nothing major anyway. Over the last day, 8% up. It all started very early this morning around 5-6 a.m. where it started to pump up in value and still slowly going up in value. Over the month, 10% up, even though it's been very volatile, up and down all over the place. And over the month, a huge 181% up, and this is where I said it was gaining a huge amount of value late March and early April as well, but then has started to drop down in value. So going into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a huge 78% in the last 24 hours, making it over $1 billion guys. So at the moment, $1.1 billion is the trading volume. That is how much money has been traded on this crypto over the last 24 hours, which is a huge amount of money. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which is what I'm going to be using to do the technical analysis, but that's not what we're going to be starting off the video with. So I'm going to hide this and bring this back later on in the video. What we are going to start off with is the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer that this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So yes, we are currently looking at the daily chart, and we've also got the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing Zilliqa at 0.1226. However, it is trading at slightly lower value at 0.1197. There's not a huge amount of difference, but to conclude, it is underperforming and not performing as well as it's meant to, even though it's just a tiny gap. So I'm going to zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors. So zooming in here, we got the blue line and the orange line looking quite bearish, going in a negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected over the coming hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect minimal drops in value. And again, it doesn't mean it's going to completely drop in value or anything like that. It's going to be very minimal. The only reason for that is, I've always mentioned it to you guys in all my videos, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, just like this one here, it will drop back down, it will take a little breather, and that is exactly what's about to take place. Minimal drops are expected, but again, probably dropping to about 11, 0.11, 0.15, not 15, sorry, 0.105 target is what I'm expecting it to drop to. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days are, well, it's up and down. We've got the orange line just about going in a flat direction, literally flattened out, going in a fluctuation line. However, the blue line is still looking bearish, going towards the negative direction. So this shows that yes, it is likely to have drops in value, but it's nothing major. It's going to be very minimal drops in value over the coming days. So potentially towards the end of this week, early next week, we should expect very minimal drops. And again, this does not mean that it's going to be hitting red candles every single day for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to see green days, we are going to see red days, but the overall outcome seems to be once again more on the negative side. Moving on to the daily chart, the big boy long-term chart, what can we see here? Again, we are not looking too great. Similar to the last one, the orange line is looking bearish, and the blue line, it has flattened out and going in a fluctuation line, meaning again minimal drops in value are expected over the coming weeks. So in this case, I'm talking about, let's say, late May, early June to mid-June, we should expect it to take a slight dip in value. But again, you have to bear in mind that these are my predictions as of right now. This may change according to any new updates, any new news that come across that can have a potential impact on the value of Zilliqa, and anything like that, I will let you guys know as soon as possible on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So before we get into the technical analysis, let me just put the MACD indicator away. Guys, if you guys have been following me on my Telegram group chat, you would know that back in December, this was around Christmas time, so let's see how much it was worth back then. Back in December, somewhere over here, so it was worth about 6 to 7 cents, guys. Let's have a look. Yeah, just about 6 to 7 cents. I did tell you guys to buy this crypto in my Telegram group chat, and once it hit this target, you would have been on a major profit. So guys, even a couple of days ago, there are a few cryptos that I posted in that group chat telling us to buy them, or telling you guys that I bought them. And right now, one of the crypto is 30% up, and the others are about 10 to 15% up as well. So you would have been on a major profit. So if you guys want to join the group chat, all the links, all the details are in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this is limited to the first 100 people that join. After that, is going to go up to $29.99. Just to make it clear, guys, I'm not a short-term trader, so I don't buy and sell on a daily basis. I am a long-term investor, so we only make smart moves. And again, there's going to be two group chats that you're going to get put into. One is where I'm buying and selling cryptos, and the other one is just a general chat where you guys can talk and ask questions and just have a chat and so on and so on. They're obviously regarding crypto. But yeah, if you guys have any questions or any queries regarding this before you join, just send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. And now back to Zilliqa with its Fibonacci scale. So as you can clearly see, we have been fluctuating in this zone here from about the 6th of April. So for about 2 weeks straight, we have been fluctuating in the dark green zone, which is this one here. It's been dropping to the lowest here and highest here as well. So yeah, very likely is going to fluctuate in between this target over the next couple of days as well. And as I mentioned earlier, the lowest it'll go is probably 0.10. That's where this line aligns to as well. But yeah, at the moment, these are my predictions and my takes. There is no major changes that are expected from this crypto. However, if there are anything like that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on Zilliqa. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave it a like. And also, I just want to say a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing to the channel. A huge shout out and a huge thank you to all of you guys, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, and I appreciate each and every single one of you guys. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.